before him as a provider, as a way maker. All my need, I need before him. For I know him, for I know the power in his name, for I know how he do and how he bless. For I know God, he will make a way for me. In the name of Jesus. Father, I worship you. Father, I honor you. You are holy and you are mighty. There is none like you, my God. In the name of Jesus, I give you all the glory. I give you all the honor. I lift up your name, my God. I exalt you because you are the Father. In the name of Jesus, thank you for today's word, because you have told us, you have informed us, because we know you. You are making a way for us in our problems, in our struggling, in our challenges. You have promised us, Jehovah, because we know you. You are providing to us. You are protecting us. You are making a way for us. You will be our shepherd in the name of Jesus. And because we know you as a powerful God, because we know you as a way maker, because we know you as a provider, we give you all our needs in the name of Jesus. I, I stand in the gap of these people who are watching me. I stand in the gap, Jehovah, in the name of Jesus, in their needs, in whatever that they feel that they need before you. Others, they were crying because of the lack of money. Others, are they asking themselves where will they find rent to pay the house ambazo wamekodeshwa ili wasifungiwe. Wengine watoto wao wamekosa fees, wanashindwa wafanye nini. I stand in that gap. Nasimama katika hizo nafasi katika jina la Yesu. And I say this before you, God, for I know you, for I know how you work, for I know how powerful is you, God. Provide for these people in the name of Jesus. Provide for these people in the name of Jesus. Provide